Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen into the progress bar widget in Tkinter. So this was the code which we saw for the progress bar in our previous session. The mode we saw was determinate mode and the indeterminate mode. There are two modes and we saw both the modes. So when I run this particular code, by default, I get a green color progress bar. So if I say increase, it gets increased. So by default, it is green in color. But we want progress bar of our own color in choice. We want to have a red color progress bar or a blue color progress bar. We can have it provided we import from the TTK module the style function or method. So in today's session, let's see how we can have different colors for the progress bar in Tkinter. So we have imported the TTK module. Now let's use the style function present in TTK. So in today's session, let's see how we can have different colors for the progress bar in Tkinter. So we have imported the TTK module. Now let's use the style function present in TTK module. So I'm giving s equal to ttk dot style and then let us use a theme. So s dot theme underscore use. I'm using the clamp theme which is present in the ttk styles function. So I'm using the theme as clamp. And now let us configure it by saying s.configure and let us give a name. So let me say it as blue dot horizontal dot t progress bar. So this is the name which I have given, and what color I want for the progress bar. I can specify it as background equal to blue. And now when I define my progress bar, when I create my progress bar with the progress bar function, I have to say style equal to this particular name. I have to specify blue dot horizontal dot t progress bar. So style I have to make it equal to this particular name. So friends, only when we use the style function present in TTK, we can change the color of the progress bar. So here I given blue horizontal T progress bar and I given the background as blue. So now when I run this particular code, I get a blue colored progress bar. So this is the blue color progress bar. Now if I say increase, it gets increased. So the color of the progress bar has been changed with the help of the styles function. And now if I want to have the trough color, a different trough color, I can give TROUGH color equal to yellow. So now when I run the code, I get the background of the progress bar as yellow, the trough color, that is the trough is the background of the progress bar, that will be given in yellow color because I specified trough color as yellow. The same thing, the progress bar is in blue and the trough is in yellow. Now we can also give a border color, that I can specify it as border color equal to red. So now when I run the code, the border is in red, trough is in yellow color and the progress bar is in blue color. So in this way we can give different colors to our progress bar with the help of the styles function. This was for the determinate mode. Even for indeterminate mode, the code remains the same. So we had seen indeterminate mode also. Here also we can copy the same code, that is style, theme and configure. Configure, and here we can specify style equal to this particular value we have to copy. So here also in the indeterminate mode also we can use the same code, that is style method in the TTK module. Then theme use clam, I'm using the theme as clam. Then I'm configuring my progress bar with background equal to blue, trough color equal to yellow and border color equal to red. Now when I run the code, so when I start, my progress bar will be in blue color, trough will be in yellow color and the border color will be in red. We can change it to the color of our choice and design attractive progress bars with the help of the style method. So hope so friends, it was clear for you how we can create progress bar of different colors. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.